Very good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about manufacture of sugar from sugar cane. The sugar is extracted from sugar cane. Sugar cane is a member of grass family. The sugar cane up to a height of 3 to 5 meters and contains about 11 to 15 percentage of sucrose by weight. So, the sugar cane height of 3 to 5 meters and contains about 11 to 15 percentage of sucrose by weight. The sugar is also obtained from beetroot. In India, sugar is manufactured from sugar cane. The, the harvested cans are sent to the sugar factories within 24 hours for extraction of juice. If there is any delay in reaching the factory, it causes losses of sugar yield. In the factory, the cane is washed to remove mud. It is chopped into pieces in cutting machines. These pieces are fed into roll crushers, where juice is extracted by adding some amount of water. About 93% of the juice is extracted from the cane. The spent cane is called bagasse, which is called a byproduct. It is used as fuel in the production of electricity. Purification of juice. The juice is extracted from the sugar cane, contains impurities and suspended particles. The sugarcane juice is slightly acidic. Acidity causes loss of sugar due to hydrolysis. Identity of acidic nature. In this process of adding lime, calcium hydroxide, to precipitate the impurities as well to neutralize the juice is known as defecation. In this defecation step, in this process, the adding of lime, the impurities as well as neutralize the juice is known as defecation. In third step, sulfitation. The sulfur dioxide gas is also passed through the solution at this stage to remove any traces of lime. This process is known as sulfitation. Just watch the video. So, there are three processes is formed. First one defecation, second one carbonation, third one sulfitation. The defecation means the lime will be added. Second one carbonation, the carbon dioxide gas is produced. Third one, the sulfur dioxide gas is also passed through the tank. Carbonation, sulfitation. Finally, the purified juice is called clarified juice, which contains 85% of water. It's evaporated to approximately 40% of water in evaporator. The result, a thick juice goes to vacuum pans and is concentrated to supersaturation. The sugar crystals are formed in the pan above the thick juice containing 10% of water. These crystals are separated by centrifugation. The centrifugation is the process in which the crystal and the liquid juice are separated. The crystals and liquid juices are separated. The thick black liquid obtained after separation of crystals is called molasses. Molasses used in the manufacture of alcohol by fermentation and as animal feed supplement. The sugar crystals obtained in the process are heated by dry hot air to remove traces of water.